Pan-Africanism to me are efforts. These are efforts to create some kind of solidarity among people of African descent. And this solidarity can only be created if, we change our mindset. We feel, as a race, we should stand tall. And we feel as well that besides standing tall, we should get our voice heard. We should, create a platform to right the wrongs that were done. Not necessarily to right, but to heal in some way through the process of, of communicating, And for me, whenever anybody talks of Pan-Africanism, I think of our youths. I think when I see our youths walking around the streets, do they ever think of Pan-Africanism? Or does it really mean anything to them? Well, it becomes our responsibility now as adults to keep telling them, well, look, you too can be a better person if you say, learn to love yourself, learn to love your hairstyle, learn to appreciate your Africanness, your African fashions, your, African movies and all those, that kind of channel of things. Learn to love all those rather than feel, alienate yourself and then just move to one side. Learn to love also those kind of things. That way, they get more respect from other races because they are proud of themselves. And so it's a matter of educating our youngsters to appreciate what the efforts of this solidarity is all about, of Pan-Africanism is all about. Africanus.